Let's see what we get here. Sparkle Rebellion. Yeah, that's why I decided.
With the one floating I have.
Survivors, Imperial Interceptor, Resupply, ST, Defender, Frontier. Trader Skill, Takedown, No Good To Me Dead, 97th Legion, Bail Organa, and Don't Get Cocky, a double rare pack. Nice. I think both of those I don't have like a playset of, so that's great. Oh, Hyperspace Energy. Yeah, I know. Standards, Suppressor, Wing Leader, Bendu is the rare, Colonel Yularen. Okay, now on to for the new packs. Count Dooku, Trade Federation Shuttle, Encouraging Leadership. Yeah, it's pretty good. This one I think is decent. Creative Thinking.
That's a fun card.
This card's not good. Deal damage to enemy unit, eliminates control in its arena. Could be good. Vulture Wing. Hyperspace Kraken. Luminara. And a Phase 1 Clone Trooper.
I like the Kraken as a card too.
Another Dooku. I'm not sorting these whatsoever. Wartime Trade Official. This one's actually pretty good and limited.
He played it on me.
A Fire Tank. Admiral Trench. Mulan. Old Resistance. Fine Edition. Alright. That one's a... You can play like any upgrade from a... Oh my goodness, 3 straight Count Dooku packs.
Ignore it from any player's discard pile.
Right.
Yeah. You could steal someone's upgrade.
It's for the Grievous Legendary that you can stack up.
Jesse, that's a fun card.
I got one of these in my early packs. Man.
Oh, Legendary. What's Legendary? I played
Oh, you played the monster. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Nice meeting you too. What's your name? Ross.
He's not good.
This card, especially.
Ooh, that's kind of
Consolidation of Power. Droid Cohort.
nice.